Hello guys, welcome back again. So finally we are here in Sevilla. We just arrived now. Like 5 minutes ago we just parked our car here. So here we are in Sevilla. We made like 630 kilometers and it's pretty hot here. I mean like it's 36 degrees here. Yeah, it's kind of really hot and it's like 4:30 p.m. and it's still like 36 degrees. So I can imagine it. But yeah, so as Sevilla is like that, it should to be like that. So I can just tell a bit of history about Sevilla. Sevilla is one of the most popular city in all of Spain and also has a really big historic background as Sevilla, we can say it's capital of Andalusia province in Spain. Province de Andalusia, it's really famous also in Islamic history of Spain. It was a really big city of business city, market city and Islamic empire as well. So like today, of course, after the Reconquista in it's like around 12th century, Christians came again, but they occupied that city again. They retook, I think so the good word would be like they captured it again and it went back to Christianity. And before that it was also in 7th century. Muslim came here in 7th century. They defeated Visigoth Empire or Visigoths and then they took over the city. And yeah, and then the rest is history. But now it has multicultural in the city. Now we can see later on, and I will take you guys towards narrow streets and city center, historic center of the city, and we will discover more. But yeah, in general we can see it's a really charming city full with Arabic and Christian culture. We can see those kind of trees like date trees, pine trees, and it's a mix of culture. I mean, it's an amazing still with Arabic architecture. It's really common to see Arabic architecture and more people. I mean, it shows a big diversity itself. It's a really diverse city. Later on, keep attached with me and we're gonna discover it. But for now, yeah, we are in Sevilla. We are already in Spain. We are in Sevilla, and let's discover Sevilla together. See you. So guys, finally we are here. So how are you guys? Kinda tired?
Yeah.
How was it?
I'm hungry.
Hungry? Me as well. And you, Carlitos? E tu?
Com fome.
Ai, com fome. Caraças. Olha o chefe do modelo.
Muita fome e muito
Muito
calor.
fome. É muito calor, é? Tá bom.
44, só são 44.
Só 44, não é muito, é?
Não é muito.
Ai, não é muito. So guys, we will see you after lunch. And yeah, let's see how we're gonna do. We will try to explore what we can. And the rest, let's see how it goes, guys. So see you soon. Stay tuned, stay with us. Ciao. So yeah, the thing is like as it's summers, there are many tourists around city. So yeah, it's pretty much normal that we're gonna see tourists all over the city. So here I was talking about the narrow streets of this city. It's like amazing. Small cafes, you can say small bars that they do serve beers and other drinks, but meanwhile with that they also serve a bit of dishes. I mean, not dishes, you can say small things, a kind of snacks bar that are typically dishes as a lunch you can use, but they're really small amount. So people do use like a snacks, kind of snacks, and it's a really big culture here of tapas. Look at the sun, it's man blazing. But overall the city got really seriously amazing vibes. Look at that, guys. Still they really have a culture of like horses, I mean, horse carts or something. For tourists, basically it's for tourists. I mean, it's good to preserve that culture. It's really good. this is Cathedral. This is Cathedral of Sevilla. Maybe we can go inside, or if it's open, we have to see. Indeed, it's not easy. It's not easy, seriously. Dekho guys, आप लोगों के लिए क्या करना पड़ रहा है, I mean. But yes, of course, why not? I will definitely do. If my friends wanted this with me, from me, I'll definitely make sure to do best what I can. As I already said, no compromise. I never had done this before, but I really try to do what I can. Oh, look at this. Look at this beauty. I mean, it's amazing, no? Just look at the architecture. How beautiful is this? Like, just look at the detailings. I mean, detailings are superb. Andalusia has a different kind of diversity in it, which involves Moorish architectures. They have Visigothic architecture, then they have Roman architecture. So when everything just combined and mixed together, it creates a phenomenal combination. It's an amazing to see all cultures, all empires, all cultures, all diversities combined together to form one Sevilla. Look at that guys, just check it this. One more thing, oh look at this. So I can explain you what is this. This is a really traditional Spanish dress for women for flamenco dance, and it's a really big tradition of Spain. Later on, if I get time, if I manage, maybe I can go to see some flamenco dance. It's really traditional here. Women just dress up like that, and they have a typical Spanish dance, typical flamenco dance, which is more with their shoes. The sound of the noise of tapping floor from the shoes makes all the big impact in all flamenco dance. But yeah, you can search on YouTube and you're gonna find it, what flamenco dance is. But yeah, this is really typical from this region, all of this province, Andalusia province. And yeah, Cathedral, I mean, I think so we can get inside. Let's try if we can. I mean, it's under renovation, but still we're gonna try if we can. Wow, it's amazing. जो भी हो आर्किटेक्चर की हमें करनी चाहिए. We should appreciate, no matters if it's from who belongs these things from. We always need to appreciate. Amazing, yeah, this was amazing. This was really amazing. And it's a small part of it. I mean, it's a small part of Cathedral. Cathedral itself is really big. And look at that. Look at that, guys. If I'll try to zoom as much as I can. 1793. I don't know if this is from 1793, but they had mentioned it. It can be. It has a really big history, so we never know. Yes, guys, now we are heading towards the main famous streets of Sevilla. One thing that I want to show you guys is this in summers. What they do, it's like it's a kind of shelter, and it's built in sprays inside for to just keep the temperature warm, and it's a cold water that makes. Hi guys, thank you. So that makes all the environment bit cooler. So yeah, that's the thing. Look at that. I think so. If you guys can see, something which makes the humidity and the heatness, the atmosphere more cooler. I think so. I just lose my friends, but no worries. We're gonna catch them later. This is that stuff that I'm talking about. You can see the sprays from these things. These are the wait I can let me, you will see just like water will come out from this. I just met a guy, an Arabic guy who was Taha, and he wanted to interview me. And yeah, I just spoke what I can. The truth that lies between every culture, every tradition that we should respect, we should appreciate, we should take it toward next level. I think so. This is the most important thing that we have to work on. Our ancestors gave us too much to celebrate, to appreciate, to preserve. So it's really, really important for us to maintain it and to keep it better, neat and clean, good environment, and share peace and love. This is what life all about. Respect each other, encourage everyone, respect elders, respect your children, and yes, enjoy the best. So guys, after a while walking, I think so it's enough from Sevilla. Now we have to go because we have to drive 200 more kilometers just to arrive Malaga. So it's better to move now. Guys, Taja Spina is closed because of some event, so we cannot visit that. But I think so I had shooted way too much for you guys to see. So there are some good things. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So yeah, here we are going towards our car now, and we have to leave. Yeah, I'll show what we have a bit of. It's a bit lake, a small lake passing through. So guys, yeah, as I mentioned before, I really don't know how to make vlogs and videos, but I try to shoot as much as I can. I put my energy in, and I will try to make it more better. Just give me good suggestions and how I can improve myself and what gadgets should I use. For now, I'm just using a cell phone and one tripod, something. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how we can continue this thing. This is what I really wanted to do, and hopefully, sure, I will manage, and we will manage with the help of you, with support of you guys. We can manage something good. And yeah, let's see. So for now, I think so it's enough from Sevilla. We had covered many good places, and I think so it will be good for you, and it's good for you to see. So yeah, next stop Malaga, and stay tuned. Give me good like, give me good comments, share your good reviews with me, and help me how we can make it more better. We'll try to make it more better. As I said, no compromises. I'm trying. Let's see how it goes. But still, point is like that. We have to give a try, and without giving a try, we really don't know how it works. We just arrived to Malaga now, and a bit tired really. I mean, my back is hurting as hell, man. It was like a really tiring journey, but sound place seems really beautiful. I mean, look at that, guys. Here is our Sharan, our people, and here we are. Finally, our final destination for today. And yeah, place seems pretty much nice. Back again. So finally we arrived at home after a tiring journey. It was a bit tiring, I can say, yeah. I mean, it's like 800 kilometers. So in total after Sevilla, it was like 250 kilometers, more or less. So yeah, finally we arrived home. So I will just give a small tour of home. Our today's the place that we are going to stay for like 2 nights. So yeah, here it is. I will start from the beginning. It's something like a hall. I think so. It's an entrance. This is an entrance door. This is the door. And first we have a TV hall, a washroom. Nice, pretty much nice, pretty cool washroom. And your bro here. And here we have a TV lounge. A pretty decent room. And it's a TV lounge here, a living room, and one room here for Carlos and Rita, and with a good balcony. I think so it's a pretty decent room. And one over there, one room here. So yeah, good. So good so far. And we have an open kitchen here. So I think so for like 2 nights it's pretty much good. And this is what we need just to stay and cooked a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this a little. Try to open windows if we have some good view. Yeah, pretty decent balcony. Nice. Yeah. The view is pretty cool, I guess. Need to go out. I'll try to make some walking trail here in this small town for now. Like we are just like 20 minutes away from city center of Malaga, and it seems pretty decent though. I like it actually. The vibes are pretty cool. So guys, for now it was just this. Like later I will just get fresh now. Maybe we'll go for dinner out, or I don't know, we'll cook at home. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what they do. Like I will just rest a bit now. I'm kind of tired. So after that we'll go just give you guys a bit of a tour, and we'll see what we can do. I mean, it looks pretty cool in this light at night. I think so. I need to explore it. I'll try. Let's see how it goes. See you guys. Bye bye. Stay tuned.